Spatchcock Polynesian chicken featuring Sanders & Farms whole chicken.
Flip the chicken over. You're gonna push right down. You wanna hear a pop. You want the breastbone underneath the break.
Let's make the dry rub for our Spatchcock Polynesian chicken. Salt, sugar, garlic powder, some ground ginger.
All right, now we're gonna add our dry rub. This is gonna absorb into the chicken, make it super tender. It goes into the fridge, uncovered.
All right, let's go ahead and make the marinade. Soy sauce, lime juice, lemon juice, brown sugar, honey, grated ginger, grated garlic, fresh scallions, and red chili flakes. Throw it on the grill. So our sauce is reduced down. Coming in, Mark.
We also like to grill some fruit because grilled fruit's cool. Brush your sauce on your chicken. You can flip it often. Dress it up with some fresh lemon. That's all she wrote.